Nestled in the turquoise embrace of the East China Sea, Okinawa is not just a geographical marvel, but a living testament to the power of tradition and nature. This archipelago, part of Japan's subtropical frontier, is home to some of the world's longest-lived individuals. Here, centenarians don't merely survive, they thrive, gardening, dancing, and laughing well into their twilight years. But Okinawa's true secret lies in its defiance of modern plagues. Type 2 diabetes, a global epidemic affecting over 400 million people, is virtually absent here. When it does appear, locals often reverse it through a blend of ancestral wisdom and Buddhist-inspired practices. No prescriptions required. Today, we unveil how their diet, rooted in mindfulness and harmony with nature, acts as metabolic medicine. By the end, you'll have a blueprint to reboot your health. Bite by sacred. Bite. Imagine your stomach as a fuel tank. Okinawans fill it only to 80%, a practice called Hara Hachi Bu. This isn't mere portion control. It's a Zen ritual of attuning to the body's whispers. Scientific studies reveal that stopping before fullness reduces insulin spikes by 30%, as overeating floods the bloodstream with glucose, overwhelming the pancreas. Okinawans treat meals as meditation. Chopsticks are set down between bites, and conversations linger, allowing satiety signals to surface. A 2016 study in Okinawa Centenarian Study found that adherents of Hara Hachi Bu had 40% lower fasting glucose levels. Try tonight. Pause halfway through your meal, take 3 deep breaths, and ask, "Am I 80% full?" Leaving 3 bites behind isn't waste, it's wisdom. Now let's break down the real diabetes weapons in their diet. First, purple sweet potatoes. These aren't your average spuds. Their deep purple color comes from anthocyanins, compounds that repair insulin-producing cells. A 2023 UCLA study found eating them daily lowered HbA1c levels by 1.5% in 8 weeks, equivalent to some diabetes drugs. Next up, bitter melon. Okinawans call it Goya, and it's nature's Ozempic. A 2022 study in the Journal of Nutrition showed its compounds lower blood sugar as effectively as prescriptions. Yes, it's bitter, but soak it in salt water first. I'll show you how later. Finally, seaweed, packed with fiber to slow sugar absorption and minerals like magnesium that boost insulin sensitivity. Here's what never touches an Okinawan plate, and why eliminating these could reverse your diabetes. Refined sugar, they call it white death. It nukes your gut bacteria linked to insulin sensitivity. Instead, they use kurosato, black sugar with minerals that slow sugar spikes. Processed. Meat, nitrates, and bacon damage your pancreas. Okinawans eat twice the fish of Americans. Omega-3s slash diabetes risk by 33%. White rice, swapped for purple sweet potatoes. Seed oils, canola and soybean oil cause inflammation. They use antioxidant-rich sesame oil instead. Before every meal, Okinawans practice kuyo, a Buddhist ritual of gratitude. Here's why this isn't woo-woo. Stress reduction. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which blocks insulin. A Harvard study found 5 minutes of gratitude lowers cortisol by 23%. Mindful eating. They chew each bite 30 times. Why? It triggers gut hormones that stabilize blood sugar. Try this tonight. Light a candle, say, "Itadakimasu," I receive this life, and taste each bite. Studies show mindful eaters eat 20% less and crush sugar cravings. Let's build your Okinawan toolkit. No expensive supplements, just real food. Breakfast, purple sweet potato mash, boiled, skins on, plus matcha green tea. Matcha's EGCG increases. Insulin sensitivity by 15%, Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry. Lunch, Goya chanpuru. Bitter melon stir-fried with tofu, turmeric and Okinawan sea salt. Soak Goya in salt water for 10 minutes to leach bitterness. Dinner, miso soup with kombu seaweed. Post-grilled mackerel. The EPA in mackerel reduces liver fat, a key diabetes driver. Diabetes care. Snack: shikiwasa, Okinawan lime, sprinkled with cinnamon. A 2020 trial in diabetes care found 1 TSP cinnamon daily lowered fasting glucose by 12%. In 2024, Cambridge University cracked the code. Okinawans have unique gut bacteria called Prevotella that turn fiber into butyrate, a compound that repairs insulin cells. But here's the kicker. After 6 weeks on their diet, study participants' gut started looking Okinawan. Your genes aren't your destiny. Diabetes isn't a failure. It's your body begging for the food it's meant to eat. Diabetes isn't a life sentence. It's a wake-up call. Okinawans view food as nuchi gusui, medicine for life. Start tonight. Swap 1 processed meal for purple sweet potatoes. Practice Hara Hachi Bu. Light that candle. Your pancreas and your inner Zen master will thank you. Smash that like button if you're ready to take control, and subscribe for more forbidden health hacks. See you next time.